What is meant by hypercare? Hypercare means like a one baby born immediately. That initial days we can call it as a hypercare. In the same way, you have done the go live on 1st of June. Okay, that hypercare period depends on the size of the project, depends on the volume of the number of users. They decide 1.5 month or 2 months or 1 month as a hypercare period. In this hypercare period, what will happen? Maximum sensitive issues, small issues, user related mistake kind of issues, many issues will come in the first 1 to 2 months. Many things are very small, but number of issues are more. Okay, because first they are using in the production, many users will get fear and they do some mistakes. Otherwise, because of fear, they have a lot of queries do to run any transaction, because till now they have run the transactions in quality during training and all. But it's the first time production. They will fear and they will ask many queries and they will do many mistakes unknowingly, some data errors, some data input errors, manual errors, many kind of issues will be done. That's why that 1 to 2 months we call it as a hypercare, because we have to spend more time, we have to guide users, and we have to guide core team members, and core team members have to guide users. Okay, because number of issues are more and we have to guide them to prevent those kind of small issues. That's why that
Yeah.
1 month or 2 months, that hypercare period will be decided by the team, the management, and our team people and all, because how many users are available. According to that, we can decide. It can be 1 month, it can be 2 months also. Okay. After that
Okay. Okay.
hypercare period, we will get the issues, but reasonably some better issues will come. Not small kind of issues will be there.